Hello everyone. Today's session includes some commonly used sentences of showing courtesy. Like, when you are introduced to people or someone introduces you to people, you say, glad to meet you, or nice to meet you, or you can say pleased to meet you. And suppose someone says glad to meet you or nice meeting you, just say I am also glad to meet you, or me too, or you can say the pleasure is mine. Okay, now second is while partying. While partying means while saying bye, while after spending some time and you want to say bye, you can greet people by saying have a good day. Have a good day, sir or ma'am. Or you can say have a nice day. Third, when someone says thanks or thank you, your replies can be welcome, you are welcome, or it's alright, don't mention it, or the reply can also be the pleasure is mine. Now fourth, when you want to say thanks to somebody, you can use some more expressions than just saying thanks or thank you. You can use I am grateful to you. You can say it's very kind of you. Then fifth, common ways of wishing people a good journey. Like when your friend or somebody is going for a journey, you can greet them by wishing them have a nice trip, have a happy journey, safe journey home, or bon voyage. And after they return from the journey, you can ask them how was the journey or how was the trip.